Hello everyone, I have a broken SuperTub chiller. I believe it is because of a failed water pump. I've decided to film and document a teardown of the SuperTub chiller since it's still on the market. So my footage is not the best. I will go ahead and supplement it with pictures and descriptions. Starting off with the refrigerant cooling system. Don't know much. It relates to HVAC, off top, compressor, radiator, coils. The SuperTub advertises a commercial grade ozone system. When I opened it and researched the brand, most parts are sourced from China. Not a lot of details come out of China. It uses some sort of cathode or anode cell to generate ozone. Yep, more questions than answers. Pump is small. What you get for convenience, max 25 liters per minute. Close up on the compressor. I'm not an electrician, but boy, there were a lot of splices and unions and junctions and God knows what else. And this is just me sifting, it's mostly D footage, and I don't exactly know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just kind of like ripping parts out and seeing what it's made out of and trying not to. Oh, microcontrollers. Yep, that's the most interesting part. They're able to mass manufacture these parts, or like you customize those microcontrollers to these systems. And I think that's where the DIY guys differ. I'm curious to see other chillers and their all-in-one design, pump size, because you have like places like Revex, Plunge, various other chillers. The ozone system was very interesting. See, this air pump, it was all segmented. It's not like the Plunge one, and I will add a CAD of a Plunge-like chiller, but it's a completely different design. It's more modern. I feel like it's not as looped, or it's not as long, or its internals don't run as deep, like in terms of tubing. It's just cleaner. It just makes more like flow-wise. It looked like it made sense, like the Plunge chiller. I don't know, but not to say it doesn't have design flaws. And yeah, I can just speculate on how the refrigerant cooling system works, but I'm not going to. I'll just, like I said, I'll create a summary of like a notes in the description video. And yeah.